A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are just going to do another interesting topic which is related totally with us, that is diary writing. Okay, now diary writing, as the name indicates, that is the writing in diary, right? So diary is a word which is just familiar with us. Many of us knows that how a diary gives you a strong point to hold your life experiences. Remember this, diary is a very personal thing, and in which you are going to written down your own personal details as well as your life's incident. So this has become the informal way of writing, right? Yes, this is the informal way of writing. In this you can use your own language and you can use your own words. You can use informal language as well as informal words, slangs. So this is basically indicates your life journey, your main you can say experiences. Some diaries are used, you can say, written down by many of the persons, and as they have many of the people have just written down their diary, and this is enter the daily routines, their daily routines, their work, their experiences. Some of the people just discuss some beautiful experiences of their life, and someone just giving a writing over the bad experience of their life, right? So diary can be of anything. So if you are going in a party, you can also write your experience. So if you want to, you can say, feel a great feeling over your any of the incident, so you can share it with your diary can be your best friend. So generally in the childhood, even not in childhood but teenage, many of the people used to write their diary, right? Why? And this happened why? Because a diary is your secret friend that can never be given your hidden point to anyone. And if it is a very secretive, you can say, passage of your life, and this is your secret friend even. So now in this video, come to our diary writing, which is just very important from the perspective of exam, right? So let's get started with this. Now in this video, I am just going to tell you about the diary writing, there, what do you mean by that particular topic, and how the diary writing can be your friends, and how the diary writing can be right in your own way. And also we are going to discuss some of the examples, most important examples, which has just come earlier in your board, and as well as you have to mention each and everything which just come in your mind on a true basis. It should not be like the fascinating, it should not be like the unreal things. So diary holds all the real incidents of your life and important incidents of your life. So let's get started here. From the first of point, you are able to see this very picture of our diary, right? Here the diary. Diary can be having a cover in which you can do many of the things, just like that. I hope this is clear. So basically, diary is your second home and your second person whom you can tell anything. And here, in due to this, all this feeling attached to that particular diary, you can. You generally find many of the people, they just decorate their diary, they just enter many of the photos in it, right? So here, this is a decorative diary. Someone used to take non-decorative and some thing like to be elegant, right? So diary is a very personal project for a person, which holds the personal experience of a person, right? Now let's get started here. From the very definition of the diary writing, diary writing is one of the most personal, remember that this is the most personal and informal category of writing. Here, the personal and informal, these two words indicate that totally diary writing belongs to your own mind and your own experience. Diary writing can be based on experience. Yes, that can also be based on experience. A scene, maybe you have seen some horrible scene, maybe you have seen so many You can say, for example, mountain hill areas you have seen and you experience for the first time. You can describe that. A description, कोई भी description हो सकता है, and a narration of the certain events and any other things or activity that the writer consider worth writing in the personal diary. Right? So here diary refers to the personal diary in which any of the person can be writer of their own life. So basically, what is diary writing? Diary writing is one of the most personal and informal category of writing, right? So, or we can also consider it as a diary entry, right? Diary writing, also known to be diary entry, is a form of writing where an individual records an account of the day. Many of the people used to record their account of the day, right, on a daily basis. We record important and significant days and with it personal feelings. Remember this, when there is a strong feeling when you are facing, right? So you can generate your own ideas, you can share your own personal views in it. So this is a personal document. So diary is a personal document. Remember that. The general format of a diary is given below. Now we are going to discuss about that the format of our diary writing. In the examination, the question on diary writing is aimed to test your imaginative, creative, and expression skills. It means it will give you aim at least your imaginative, creative, and expressive skills. Remember this. Now, I think you are able to see this very picture. This is also a diary, form of diary. So diary is something which can be touchable. This is not the virtual in manner, but whenever we used to write this, we are going to give our personal details over it. So here we have some of the guidelines for our diary writing, because generally we have to you can say keep something in our mind while we are writing our diary. Diary entry has no fixed format or the style of writing. Remember this, there is no fixed format, so no one can cut your marks over the format. However, good writing diary entry does contain the following features. It means no one can cut your marks over the format, but here we are going to discuss about some of the good features which can help you to maintain a good diary. For example, a good diary writings contains the place, date, and even the time of the writing. For example, you are in the Agra, so this is the name of the place, right? This is the date and the day and even the time, right? So you have mentioned 4 of the things, because this will be if you are giving your correct detail, then do it with your own time, do it with your own day. Just be honest with yourself. You have to be honest with yourself in your diary. Remember that. Otherwise, you will not give your own perspective. You are just holding a diary in which you are writing something, nothing else. Now, a diary does not any formal heading. There should not be any formal heading. Like, for example, if I have just seen a road accident and I have to write a report on over it, then we have to give a certain heading over that, right? But in the diary writing, we are generally not giving any heading. It's optional. If you want, you can give suitable heading, but this is optional. If you don't want, then no one can cut your marks. The style and the tone is generally informal and personal. The style and tone is generally informal and personal. Informal, I have already been told you, and personal is your own personal matter. However, it depends on the subject. Sometimes the tone can be philosophical and reflective too, because philosophical, you have your own philosophies, you can also add it to that. You can freely express your viewpoints and feelings. In this diary writing, you can freely expose yourself to the outside world, but you will not going to tell anyone about that incident, and you are going to write it down in your diary. As a diary is writer's personal document, the diary entry does not need any signature. It is totally optional. Remember this is your personal documents. Whatever you want to write it down. The diary entry doesn't need any signature. There is no need of signature. There is no need to say that you're sincerely, you're faithfully, and all these things, right? You can involve your own suitable style depending on the topic of writing. So the style will be of your own, because nobody can give their format. If everyone will give the format, then how it could be so good, right? It will not be that. So as per the CBSE syllabus, you are required to writing the article or the diary in 100 to 20 words, because this time this will include only the 5 marks. So remember the word limit of this very topic. So basically diary is a familiar word to us, remember this right now. So diary is not a particular thing which cannot be handled by us. This is the only personal documents which can be handled to us, and everything which I just written down in diary is your own personal feelings and your own personal emotions, which are just shown, you can say, by yourself, and you are just writing down your emotions and feeling in your diary. Now, here we are just going to practice some of the questions, and I am here going to give some of the representation how you can enter the diary writing. First of all, you have to give a cover page, right? Cover page. After that, whenever you open the first page, now for just like this, just like this. So if you have, for example, let me give that. For example, I'm just giving you here. This is your page, right? Here what you have to mention: the place, the date, day and the time, right? And then after, you can write it down, dear diary. यहाँ आपका salutation क्या होगा? Dear diary. After that, you have to proceed with your own feelings with a paragraph. Within a paragraph, which should be only of the 100 to 120 words. So this is very easy to do right now. So what you have to do? Remember this. If this is your page, then what you have to do? Written down the the place, the date, the time and day. Right? There is no specific format for that. You can place all these things to from each other. After that, there is no relation to be said any subject. You have to give the salutation to your diary, dear diary, or whatever. You can also give you the name to your diary. आप अपनी डायरी को नाम भी दे सकते हो. For example, मैं कहती हूँ dear Jasmine. Jasmine may be my diary's name. So यहाँ मैं किसी को भी कह रही हूँ. So this is all about that. So here we are going to do some of the example now. You are you can say you. You recently visit the 24th Craft Mela Surajkund, Faridabad, and it was many India assembled at one place using the hints given below that show your experience. देखिए, now here in this video, we are just having placed one of the question that we have just visited our Craft Mela at Surajkund in the Faridabad. Remember this? What is the name of the place? Is Faridabad, and what is the occasion? That is the 24th Crafts Mela, and it is a mini India. यहाँ एक छोटा सा इंडिया, पूरे देश से सारे लोग से बहुत सारे व्यापारी आते हैं यहाँ के लिए ट्रेडिशन चीज़ें लेकर आते हैं अपनी अपनी. तो यहाँ यूजिंग दिस हिंट्स, अब मैं आपको हिंट्स दे रही हूँ, आपको यूज़ करना है अपनी राइटिंग के दौरान. Hints है more than 20 states of India presented. Rajasthan the theme state, the partitions of the foreign countries, cultural programs, dance at Chopal, Rangmanch, food courts, carrying all kinds of foods and art and handicrafts from the awarded आर्शियंस. देखिए, अब हम आपके बात करते हैं कि आपको क्वेश्चन मिलेगा कैसे. क्वेश्चन मिलेगा आपको इसी फॉर्मेट में, आपको थोड़े हिंट्स मिलेंगे एज वेल एज आपको थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन मिलेगा. हिंट्स यहाँ पे हैं कि यहाँ पर 20 से ज़्यादा रिप्रेजेंटेड आए हैं. आप इसको एक बड़ी सी लाइन में तब्दील कर सकते हैं. राजस्थान की थीम स्टेट है. आप यहाँ का जो थीम है स्टेट का वो है राजस्थान, यानी कि हर कोई अपने अकॉर्डिंग राजस्थानी कल्चर को दिखाएगा. पार्टिसिपेशंस ऑफ फॉरेन कंट्रीज, यहाँ फॉरेन कंट्रीज यानी अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आएंगे. यहाँ कल्चरल प्रोग्राम भी हो रहे हैं, आपने देखे हैं. ये एक किस्म से रिपोर्ट है जो आपने देखी है, बट ये आप किसको दे रहे हो? अपनी खुद की फीलिंग्स को सिर्फ डायरी को दिखा रहे हो. सो दिस इज जनरली बेसिक रिपोर्ट, राइट. सो डांस एट चौपाल हुआ, रंगमंच हुआ, तो फूड कोर्ट्स लगे, कैटरिंग फूड हो रहा था, आर्ट्स एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स ऑन द अवॉर्डेड आर्शियंस हो रहे थे, राइट। सो यहाँ देखिए अब हमारे पास जो आंसर, हियर द आंसर गिवन, न्यू दिल्ली योर। सो बेसिकली what you have to do is your own given place। यहाँ आपको प्लेस अपना नहीं दिया गया है, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पता है कि ये डायरी आपने कहाँ लिखी है, when you are in the न्यू दिल्ली, ठीक है। यहाँ आपको अपना लिखना है, यहाँ पर न्यू दिल्ली में। फिर इसके बाद आ गया मार्च 20, कोई भी आप डेट डाल सकते हैं, यहाँ कोई मेंशन नहीं है, तो आप कोई भी डे या टाइम डाल सकते हैं, यहाँ कोई मेंशन नहीं है तो आप अपनी ओर से डाल सकते हैं। तो ये आपकी पर्सनल डिटेल होती है, यहाँ पर आप ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं डालते हो कि वो कहाँ था, ये मेला क्या था, क्या टॉपिक था। देयर इज नथिंग टू डू विद टॉपिक। इफ यू वांट टू गिव देन यू कैन गिव, बट इट्स एन ऑप्शनल टोटली, राइट। सो हियर बेसिकली we have started our diary, right? Dear diary, the Craftsman at Shoes Kund was much more impressive and grand than what I had imagined, right? अब ये डायरी को अपनी पर्सनल बातें बता रहा है कि मैं जितना सोचा भी नहीं था उतना ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव था, ग्रैंड था। दिस ईयर द थीम स्टेट वॉज राजस्थान। राजस्थान इसकी मेन थीम थी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल राजस्थान यहाँ होल्ड कर रहा था। द होल कैंपस वॉज पेंटेड विद द विजुअल ऑफ रणथंबोर, चित्तौड़, जोधपुर एंड जैसलमेर। इस यहाँ पे जो भी फूड कोर्ट्स बनाए होंगे या और कुछ भी ऐसी चीज़ें दुकानें बनाई होंगी तो सभी का ना एक मैटर यानी कि थीम रखी गई होगी, वो राजस्थान के ही तरीके से होना चाहिए। यानी कि आप जब उसमें जाओगे तो आपको लगेगा कि आप राजस्थान के ही जगह आए हो और वहाँ के ही किसी मेले में घूम रहे हो, राइट। इट वॉज मिनी इंडिया। यहाँ देखिए मैंने ये वाला आपको हिंट दिया था, यहाँ आपने हिंट यूज़ किया है। फ्यू हंड्रेड ईयर्स ऑफ लैंग, राइट। तो यहाँ आर्टिशंस आए हैं फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेट्स से वर्कशॉप्स के लिए, स्टॉल्स लगाई हैं, बहुत सारी कंट्रीज आई हैं, स्पेशली पाकिस्तान, नेपाल, अफगानिस्तान जो आते हैं यहाँ पे। बेंगल, ज्वेलरीज, ऐसी बहुत सारी शॉप्स हैं जहाँ पे हम अपनी चीज़ें खरीद सकते हैं। हर चीज़, कल्चरल चौपाल लगा है, रंगमंच लगा, फूड कोर्ट्स लगा, डिलीशियस फूड्स लगे हैं। बेसिकली ये सारी चीज़ें लगी हुई हैं जो आपको पसंद आई, वो सारी चीज़ें आपने यहाँ लिख दी हैं। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू गिव योर लास्ट नेम। हमेशा स्टार्टिंग में आपका अपना एड्रेस जहाँ पे मतलब एड्रेस वो टाइम भी होता है, वो डे भी होता है, डेट भी होता है, नॉट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस, ओके। सो दिस इज द डिनोटिंग एड्रेस ऑफ योर सेल्फ, दिस इज पर्सनल एंड दिस इज ऑफ द योर पर्सनल डिटेल दैट वाज सबमिट। I hope this has been clear to you now. So this is the main basic agenda in which you can written down your diary, but there is no basic format, but you have to follow these kind of formats if you want to get the correct marks. So here, what is the first thing? First thing is that you have to mention your, जहाँ पर भी अभी आप हो, आपने न्यू दिल्ली से हो, वहाँ से आपने कितने कब लिखा, क्या दिन था और क्या टाइम था। उसके बाद आपने सैल्यूटेशन दे दी डियर डायरी को। अब डायरी का कोई नाम भी हो सकता है, डोंट वरी। यहाँ एक पैराग्राफ आ गया, उस पैराग्राफ में आपने 100 to 120 वर्ड्स में लिमिट करके आपने अपने एक्सपीरियंस को लिखा। आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैज़ गिवन, द गिवन इज द नेम ऑफ योर पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जो भी है, राइट। रिमेंबर दिस। आई होप this has been clear to you now, and I would like to say many of the examples which are just here. Now I think the format has been clear to you. This is the format for a good diary writing, but there is basically nothing to do with the you can say formal languages and formal format. This is totally depends on the formality, right? Here now I'm here disclosing some of another examples for you which I just solved, but I have just given so many another questions in the end so that you can hold up your over the diary writing. So here you can find out the common things over there. Here is the basically everything has been given according to that. Here the name, right? So here the question number 3 in which you have to give your own many of the details. After that we have just find another questions. You can take the screenshot out of that, right? And you have to write it down your fair notebook with the very exercise which I just given. You will not write it down all these solved questions. You have to write all the unsolved questions which I just discussed after this fifth questions. But you can practice and you can take some of the hints out of that. Otherwise, uh, anything can be possible that you may find some of the mistakes in yourself. So I have just given all the solved examples of five, and here the practice questions we have. I just gave you the seven practice questions so that you can take some of the help from the information given below and make your questions describing you have become perfect swimmer and all these things. ये आपके questions हैं, right? So here is a hint. So write it down in your own words. But main thing is this: expressions and the grammar mistakes, do not put them out. So here the question number 7 and their hints, question number 8 and their hints, question number 9 and their hints, and the question number 10 their hints, and question number 11 after their hints, question number 12, and this is the last of your questions. I think this has been sufficient for your practice, and you have to write it down all these 7 to 12 questions in your fair notebook, and you have to practice. And if you find any kind of difficulty, you can ask me at any time, right? Please take the screenshot out of this PDF and I have discussed now. Please make sure that you have to write down the practice question in your fair notebook. It should not be the solved example. Now we are going to revise this very particular thing, right? So here, first of all, we have just already been discussed all these things, and here, what do you mean the diary writing? First, diary writing is a personal and informal category of writing, right? It can be based on experience. It can be based on scene, which you have a scene around you. It's a description of narration, and it can also be considered with the worth writing in a personal diary, right? You are writing some of the worthy things, not anything in your personal diary. Now, a diary entry is a format of writing where an individual records an account of a day. We records an important, significant days and with its feelings. So here we have discussed that how it could be. It can individual records, account of the day. It can important record, significant days. You can record. You can record your personal feelings. It is personal documents in total. So it is only to aim to test your imaginative and creative experience, expressive skills. Remember this. Here's a guideline for your diary writing. The first thing you have to keep in mind that no one can cut your marks over the format because there is no fixed format of the style of writing. But we have some other points which can consider be your, which can give you points, some valuable points to your diary. Here you have to written down the place, date, day, and the time. Place, day, date, and time. Right here we have just given. A diary don't needs any formal heading. No formal heading is to be required here. It's optional, totally optional. Right? I think everything has been clear now. Every students, please take heed over it, and we will find every difficulty in our video session. So if you find any kind of things, then you have to written down over a page, and you can discuss it with me at any time, beta. So never go through any of the things. So here is everything which you need. I will also share the PDF of this very video. You can download it, but you will not written down any of the solved example. I will do it the practice questions. If I'll found any of the solved question, then I will not check the particular notebook. And one more thing is that I will be considered you as your own imaginative power, so that I can judge your skill. right? Take the screenshot. So take care all of you, and found each and everything ready to this video, and watch it carefully again and again so that you find it relatable to yourself. This while writing, this is very informal one, which in which you can deal with your own feelings and your own perspective, nothing to do with the informal one, right?
नहीं चलेगा चलेगा दिखाया हूँ मेरा वाला पेपर कहाँ है मेरे को क्या क्या लिख रहा है ये मेरा ही बंद कर देंगे तेरा वाला पेपर तेरे को ही पता होगा तूने निकाला था ना थोड़ी देर पहले हाँ है